All right, good morning, dear students. Okay, today we are going to continue from page number 108. Okay, we've been learning about how we can struggle for equality. What are the methods, the ways by which we can struggle for equality? And in this particular chapter, which is called Struggles, what's it called? What?
Struggles for equality.
For equality. So in this chapter, we have been learning about a group, a fishermen's. We have been learning about a group, a fishermen's federation. Okay, this group fishermen को federation को बारे में we've been learning about it. And कसरी उनीहरूले they fought for equality. Okay, they suffered for many years. From 1958 they suffered, right? But then finally in 1998 they got some justice भनेर हामीले त्यहाँ हेरेको छौं. How भन्दाखेरि they understood the poor fishermen उनीहरूले चाहिँ they formed an organization, a federation called Tawa Matsya Sangha. Okay, and this federation हामीले हिजो नै हेरिसकेको छ in the class, worked towards giving rights, right? Fighting for rights and giving equality to those people, just like because of different things that the country does, the government does, त्यो कुराले गर्दा उनीहरू आफ्नो ठाउँ they have been displaced भनेर हामीले यो वर्डहरुलाई हेरेको थियो yesterday. Displaced, right? You have a place and then you are displaced from it, so you don't have a place. Okay, your village नै डल्लै के भएको हुन्छ उनीहरूले. We looked at an example of dam, right? Dam ले गर्दा चाहिँ कसरी वरिपरिको ठाउँहरु were submerged in the water, and how these people lost their villages and their property and their houses and everything भनेर है. Already poor people became poorer भनेर हामीले हेरेको छौं. अनि कसरी तावा मत्स्य संघले चाहिँ यो पिपलहरुलाई हेल्प गरेको छ to fight for equality. Okay, so all of this हामीले हेरिसकेको छौं हिजो नै. But today what we are going to focus on is page 108, and the title, the subheading there is the Indian Constitution as a living document. So we will focus on this word, these words, living document, right? हामीले document भन्दाखेरि जुनै पनि है लेखेको कुराहरुलाई एउटा डकुमेन्टमा आइहाल्यो हैन. There are many documents kept. तपाईहरुले घरमा पनि तपाईको पेरेन्ट्सले इम्पोर्टेन्ट पेपर्सहरु, इम्पोर्टेन्ट डकुमेन्ट्सहरुलाई राखेको हुन्छ हैन, जोगाएर राखेको हुन्छ. So we are talking about a document. Okay, now the question is, which document are we talking about? हैन, यो कुन डकुमेन्टको कुरा गर्दैछ भनेको, यो कुन डकुमेन्टको कुरा गर्दैछ? Constitution. Okay, so we living document भनेको यो डकुमेन्ट चाहिँ कन्स्टिट्युसनलाई भनेको. Now you all know the meaning of this word living. Okay, हैन? के हो? What does it mean to you? Living. Living भन्दा के बुझ्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरु? What is living? No, L-I-V-E. Yeah, living. बस्नु त sitting हो त. What is living? You are living things, living beings. Is this a living thing?
No, ma'am.
Is this a living thing?
No, ma'am.
के हो the living को meaning? My goodness, shocking this is, huh? Yes? What is the meaning of living? Yeah, to be alive. जिउँदो हुनु हैन? Class 7A. You are not able to give me a meaning to this living, to this word. Thank you, Karma Lode. Living भन्दाखेरि something which is alive. हैन? जिउँदो छ, त्यो alive छ, त्यो बाँचिरहेको छ. Are you living or dead?
Living.
Huh?
Living.
अन्त कस्तो मिनिङ भन्नु आको लिभिङ को? Anyway, सो लिभिङ डकुमेन्ट भन्नुहुँदैछ यहाँ त द्याट मिन्स यो डकुमेन्ट चाहिँ अलाइभ छ डकुमेन्ट भन्दा हामीले के भन्यो पेपर भन्यो हैन सम इम्पोर्टेन्ट पेपर्स पेपर अलाइभ हो थिंक अबाउट इट इज पेपर अ लिभिङ थिङ अर अ नन लिभिङ थिङ
Non-living thing.
हैन तर हामीले त यहाँ लिभिङ डकुमेन्ट भन्दैछ त व्हाट इज दैट मीन के हो त्यसको मतलब यस how can a document be living the Indian constitution as a living document that means हाम्रो Indian constitution चाहिँ के हो भन्दैछ living document what does this mean what does this mean to you के होला what does it mean right so this is the question that you have to ask living document कसरी हुन्छ पेपर त or a non living thing हो कसरी चाहिँ living what is this sentence what does it mean भने एउटा क्वेशन हुनु पर्यो नि छ कि छैन क्वेशन huh so when we talk about a living document any document कब living हुन्छ या कब living हुन्छ any document भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जब Indian Constitution ले for example we have seen in this particular book SPL यो बुकबाट हामीले all the time हामीले के सुनेको छौं that Indian Constitution Indian democracy मा चाहिँ हामीले the key feature of Indian Constitution is democracy चाहिँ के हो भनेर पढेको छौं के पढेको छौं key feature के हो equality okay so हामीले यो let's take an example of equality है इक्वालिटी को तपाईहरुले पुरा पढ्नु भयो इक्वालिटी के हो के हैन भनेर हामीले बुझिसकेका छौं राइट तर बुकमा सबै बुझ्यो एक्जाममा पनि तिमीहरुले दामी लेख्यो रे है तर भोलिको दिनमा इफ यु आर ट्रिटिङ समबडी इनइक्वली हैन भोलिको दिनमा लेट्स से तपाईले एकजना बेगरलाई या फिर एकजना यसो हेर्दा माया लाग्दो गरिब मान्छेलाई तपाईले हेला गर्यो अरे डिस्क्रिमिनेट गर्यो अरे आउनु दिएन अरे है तपाईले हेला गर्नु भरे यु हैव डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड दैट पर्सन भने चाहिँ तपाईले व्हाटएभर यु लर्न इन दिस बुक व्हाटएभर यु लर्न इन द स्कूल नो म्याटर हाउ मच मार्क्स यु गट लेट्स से यु गट 100 on 100 त्यो के भयो त्यो नलेज के भएर गयो
मैम गयो
के कहाँ गयो
मैम पोलेर
या पोलेर गयो दैट मीन्स वेस्टेड त्यो नलेज को के फाइदा भयो
No, ma'am.
no there is nothing that we see it is just wastage of time exam को लागि पढेको जस्तै मात्रै भयो there's nothing that one has learned if in spite of finishing this entire book हामीले सकिसक्यो हैन तर यदि if we keep on going after if you continue the way we were हैन तपाईको फ्यामिलीमा फर एक्जाम्पल लेट्स से योर पेरेन्ट्स or your elders ले अझै पनि त्यहाँनिर जात पातमा लेट्स से कास्टमा डिस्क्रिमिनेट गर्दैछ अरे हैन धनी गरिबमा डिस्क्रिमिनेट हुँदैछ अरे हैन घरमा छोरा छोरीमा डिस्क्रिमिनेट हुँदैछ अरे या फिर लेट्स से यु आर डुइङ ऑल अफ दैट त के भयो all that knowledge that you gained from this book all the knowledge that you gained from this book के भयो waste it becomes a waste है तर let's say तपाईले यो सबै सिकेर you have become a better person now whatever little bit of तपाईकोमा थियो which you didn't know है यो कुराहरु सबै हटिन्छ right all the के भन्नु darkness या फिर तपाईको माइन्ड को द whatever block थियो तपाईलाई है लेट्स से तपाईहरुको मेबी फ्यामिलीमा सबैले छोराले अलिक चेप छ अरे छोरी भन्दा है अलिक माया गर्छ अरे छोरालाई अलिक स्पेशल ट्रिटमेन्ट दिन्छ अरे बट देन यु रियलाइज अरे why am I getting let's say Sudeep asks ama malai why are you treating me more specially than my sister you know why am I being treated just because I am a son no and if Sudeep tells his parents no you should treat my sister equally malai jasto garनुहुन्छ मेरो दिदीलाई पनि त्यस्तै गर्नुपर्छ if Sudeep says this and if Sudeep helps his parents to understand what they are doing is wrong भने चाहिँ सुदीप के हुन्छ truly educated okay उसले त्यो नलेजलाई चाहिँ केमा कन्भर्ट गर्यो विजडममा, राइट? हामीले कुरा गरेको छ हैन, नलेज जहिले विजडममा कन्भर्ट गर्ने भने. सो व्हेन द्याट ह्यापन्स, जब सुदीपले जे सिक्नु भएको छ एक्चुअली गर्नु थाल्नुहुन्छ, दिस बुक कम्स अलाइभ. This book comes alive. Which book जिउँदो भएर आउँछ. If every student in this class, after going through this entire wonderful book, Social and Political Life, है, यो क्लास 7 को यो बुक तपाईहरुले गरेपछि, you become so, तपाईले जुन मिडियालाई जुन प्रकारले हेर्नु पर्छ, whatever you learn from the book, understanding media बाट, तपाईले त्यसरी नै तपाईले हेर्नु थाल्नु भने न्यूज एकदमै ब्यालेन्स्ड पाराले, है, तपाईले इन द फ्यामिली बोइज एन्ड गर्ल्समा डिफरेन्शिएट राखेन अरे, है, सोसाइटीमा ठुलो जात सानो जात गरेन अरे, है, रिलिजनमा तपाईले डिस्क्रिमिनेट गरेन थ्रु आउट योर लाइफ भने चाहिँ क्लास 7 मा पढ्नु भएको यो बुक चाहिँ एउटा पेपर मात्र हैन, बट व्हाट इट विल बिकम अ लिभिङ डकुमेन्ट. अ लिभिङ डकुमेन्ट. जबसम्म हामीले जुन कुरा सिकेको गर्दैनौं तबसम्म दिस बुक इज जस्ट अ dead book. It's nothing. It's just words, nothing over there. Right? In a very similar manner, Indian Constitution is a thick book. Indian Constitution, tapaiलाई थाहै छ, is the world's longest constitution. Right? यति साह्रो डिटेलमा छ, यति साह्रो राम्रो छ कन्स्टिट्युसन. तर we know जुन कन्स्टिट्युसनले भन्दैछ त्यो कुराहरू हाम्रो कन्ट्रीमा भएको छैन. We have learned it from this book. Yes or no? Right? So because of this, अब हाम्रो struggle छ. Just like this Tawa Matse Sangha, we have to struggle for everything that the Constitution says. हामीले जान्नु पर्यो and we have to struggle and fight. Okay? त्यसो हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ, and when we, यो बुकमा के छ? यो बुकले भन्छ इक्वालिटी हुनुपर्छ. And when India भरिमा यो इक्वालिटी सबले एउटा इक्वालिटी हुनुपर्छ. All human beings are equal. There is nobody big or small, greater or lower. But when we have that understanding, तब चाहिँ यो document, our constitution becomes a living document. Living document भएर जान्छ. यो constitutionले, for example, एकदमै राम्रो example छ तावा मात्से सँगले, उनीहरूले बुझ्यो कि constitutionले के भन्नुहुन्छ, है? यस्तो पाराले डिस्क्रिमिनेट हुनु हुँदैन, अपर्चुनिटिज पाउनु पर्छ. दे हैव दोज फिशरमेन, हैन, उनीहरूलाई त पुरा इन्जस्टिस भयो नि. पहिला त दे लस्ट देयर फ्यामिली, दे लस्ट देयर होम, दे लस्ट देयर प्रपर्टी, हैन, एभ्रिथिङ उनीहरूले छुट्यो. त्यहाँबाट दे वर नट रिहेबिलिटेटेड प्रपरली बाइ द गभर्नमेन्ट, हैन, राइट? अन टप अफ द्याट बिस्तारै दुःख सुख उनीहरूले माछा मारेर त्यही रिजर्भरको माछा मारेर खाँदै थियो. बट द गभर्नमेन्टले 1994 मा के भन्यो? नट अलाउड, हैन? वाइ? बिकज दे गेभ द्याट होल फिशिङ राइट्स टु द प्राइभेट कम्पनी, राइट? बट वाट डिड दे डु आफ्टर द्याट? दे फट फर इट. कन्स्टिट्युसनले के भन्छ उनीहरूले बुझ्नु भयो त्यसलाई. एन्ड दे फर्मड दिस ग्रुप. एक्लैको सोच सुन्दैन रहेछ, थुप्रो हामी ग्रुप बनायो भने हाम्रो कुरा सुन्दै रहेछ. So they formed this group, Tawa Matse Sangha, and then they fought. And what were the methods they used? What were the methods they used? Huh? Rallies, Chakka Jam. Okay, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Chakka Jam. Or ke bhancha yalai road block pani bhancha. So with these two methods, rally and Chakka Jam, उनीहरूले के गर्नु भयो? They put across उनीहरूको message गभर्नमेन्टसम्म पुर्याउनु भयो कि हामीलाई you have done injustice to us and we want justice भनेर, हैन? सो अब के हुँदैछ? whatever they are doing, उनीहरूले जुन कन्स्टिट्युसनमा भनेको कुरा छ उनीहरूले के गर्दैछ? एक्सनमा ल्याउनु हुँदैछ नि, है? एक्सनमा गर्नु हुँदैछ. एन्ड फाइनली द गभर्नमेन्ट वाज कम्पेल्ड टु, उनीहरूले जुन त्यो प्राइभेट कम्पनीसँग उनीहरूले गरेको त्यो कन्ट्र्याक्ट थियो, they had to cancel it and they had to give the fishing rights back to those local people who had been displaced. Okay, na? Yes or no? So because of this, we find, right, that the constitution or a paper ko thak matre ho tyo document, right? But we see that the constitution has come alive. The constitution has become a living document. किन justice भयो, right? Because people they struggled, they fought, and they got their justice. Right? That means that book has come alive. Right? So त्यसरी नै हामीले we must always keep this in mind. Keep this in mind that जुन प्रकारले अहिले मैले एक्जाम्पल दिए यो बुकमा whatever you have learned till the time you don't apply it in your lives, this will just become a what? Bundle of pages, हैन? Some printed words, some photos, exam मा लेख्यो, pass भयो, सक्यो. Nothing here, nothing in action. Right? But जब हामीले सिक्छौं, knowledge that we have acquired, हामीले यसलाई बुझेर apply गर्छौं, that is wisdom. Right? We know that is wisdom. Knowledge लाई चाहिँ wisdom मा convert हुनु नै पर्छ. Okay? Only then anything that you study or read or anything that you learn will be beneficial to you. And यस्तो प्रकारले यो बुकहरु, यसको बुकको पावर के हो भनेर हामी बुझ्न सक्छौं. That's when a document, few pages come alive. Okay? In a similar manner. So we are going to just go through this. Everybody eyes on the book. Okay? तपाईले 108 मा यहाँ के भन्नु भएको छ? The foundation of all movements for justice and the inspiration for all the poetry and songs on equality is the recognition that all people are equal. So what is trying to say? जे पनि गरोस्, मान्छेले चाहे गीत गाओस्, पोएट्री लेखोस्, स्पीच भनोस्, तर what is the main theme? Theme is equality. Equality. That everybody is equal. चाहे त्यो world's richest person होस्, चाहे त्यो beggar होस्, as a human being we are equal. We must have everything हामीलाई treatment मा equal पाउनु पर्छ. Okay? Then, as you know, the Indian Constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. हामी किन equality भन्छौं? Because that is, first of all, that's the right thing to do. That is the right thing to do. That's the way it is. It is. हैन? तर society मा मान्छेले आफ्नै बनाएको छ. हैन? तर more than that, हामीलाई त्यसलाई establish गर्नको लागि Constitution says equality. So कसैले किन, why should I treat anybody equally? म धनी हो, त्यो गरिब हो, म किन यसलाई equal treat गर्नु? म ठुलो जात, त्यो सानो जात भन्नु थाले भने, that's when we say no, because the Constitution says it. It is the rule, the law of the nation, India. You have to abide by the Constitution. And the Constitution says what? Equality. Okay? Then movements and struggles for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about equality and justice for all. जब पनि त्यही मैले भने, जब पनि कसैले किन why should I treat you in certain way? Why should I treat equality? म किन यस्तो गर्नु उस्तो गर्नु भने? Why? Because the Constitution says it. If you don't obey the Constitution, you are breaking the law. Then you are fit to be punished. Right? By the law. Yes or no? Okay, so यो कुराहरु हो. अनि हामीलाई फेरि the fisher workers in the Tawa Matsya Sangha hope that the provisions of Constitution will become a reality through their participation in this movement. And yes, उनीहरुले movement मा participate गर्यो, organize गर्यो, rallies गर्यो, चक्काजाम गर्यो, उनीहरुको struggle गर्यो, fight गर्यो, and finally they got justice. And this is how the Indian Constitution became a living document for them. Alive भयो, जिउँदो भयो उनीहरुको लागि. नभए त त्यो एउटा कागजको ढेर मात्र थियो. Right? So, then by constantly referring to the Constitution, they use as a living document. That is something that has real meaning in our lives. हैन? त्यही मैले भने नि, यो किताबमा तपाईले सबै पढ्यो, है? तर घरमा गएर भोलिको दिनमा, आजको दिनमा, if you don't change your thinking, if you don't change the way you have been doing things, भने त it is wastage, व्यर्थै भयो नि त. But no, what happens when you apply it? Right? Just like I Sudeep example, when Sudeep questions his parents, why am I treated specially and why my sister is not treated in the same manner? Is it because I'm a boy and she's a girl? When he raises such question to his parents, that's when what happens? Change comes. And that's when whatever you've learned from the book or Constitution or any book becomes a reality. That's when those pages come alive. And that's when change takes place. Society त्यसरी बदलिन्छ, त्यसरी सुध्रिन्छ. राइट सानो नलेजलाई हामीले अप्लाई गरेर ओके सो दिस इज अ ब्युटिफुल book which we have finished okay I time and again tell you I'm telling you again I love this book and I hope you will love it too and you continue reading continue learning okay thank you class goodbye